My name is Matt Byers, and this is video number 2 in the Stonecrest Insurance Services Insurance 101 video series. Our second question is, what is a waiver of subrogation and how does it work? In order to understand what a waiver of subrogation is, we first have to understand what subrogation is. And subrogation is when an insurance company pays a claim that was caused by a third party, and then they go to that third party's insurance company and try and get reimbursed for the amount that they paid. So a waiver of subrogation is waiving the right to do that, or waiving the ability to go to the third party's insurance carrier and request reimbursement. How this would be used is, let's say that you are a subcontractor and you're hired by a general contractor to work on a new office building. And as a part of your contract, the general contractor asks you to add a waiver of subrogation. And on the first day, your employee is working on the job site, and one of the general contractor's employees runs over his foot with a tractor. The employee goes to the hospital, and his foot is broken, and between medical bills and lost wages, let's say that there's going to be $50,000 in claim money paid out. Typically what would happen now is your workers' compensation company that covers your employees is going to go ahead and pay that $50,000 for the medical bills and the lost wages, and then they would go to the general liability insurance policy for the general contractor and subrogate against them because it was their employee who caused the injuries. However, since you provided them with a waiver of subrogation, your workers' compensation policy can't do that. So as a result, you end up having the $50,000 claim on your workers' compensation policy, and the general contractor who caused the actual injuries doesn't end up with any claims, and so you end up paying more for your insurance because you now have claims on your insurance record. So that's a brief understanding of what waiver of subrogation is. It's not always advantageous for you to provide it to somebody because it basically allows them to not take responsibility for injuries or other damages that they may cause to you or your employees. So just something to think about. If you have any questions or you think you have any problems, feel free to give us a call. Again, this is the second video in our Stonecrest Insurance Services Insurance 101 video series. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.